Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now I get quite a bit as far as like, hey, what do you have coated on your car? How'd you get it coated? All those many questions that are asked all the time on this platform. So in this video, I'm going to show you just what I have coated on my 2008 BMW 335i and what you can use to coat it yourself on your own time. You don't have to pay anybody physically to do it, just for $49.99 and have all the same features that I have and a lot more depending on what car that you have, if it's supported, and what options that you want coated on there. So I'm still in the mix of designing my garage, painting it, and a lot of other stuff, so it is under construction, I guess, if you want to say. But let's go ahead and head on over to the car. Let's get started. So the first thing I get asked all the time, how do you have your halos just only on? Well, this is called your halos as daytime running lights. This is a coded option. This is just like the European spec, so that way you can have your halos running all the time and you don't have to have your side ambers on, what a lot of people like to do. Now, to be able to do that, you have to have an FRM 2, so your footwell module 2 or higher, to be able to do this coating on your car. Not to worry, if you do not have footwell module 2, you can upgrade your footwell module. Quick, easy DIY, and I have it here on my channel. So I'll post it at the top there. Check it out. It's a great mod for some of you guys that are kind of pre-2007 era, so that way you can add that to your car there. Next option that I have coated on my car is a 5 turn signal. So you just hit it once and you will have 5 turn signals going on there. So in the cabin here, I also have coated the speedometer, the digital speedometer, so that way you can see how many miles per hour you're going and you don't have to physically look at the tach. A navigation unit is that anytime you put in the key and you get back in the car again, it goes right to the navigation and I don't have to hit the button down at the bottom as far as the disclaimer message. Now you would get that annoying disclaimer message that would come up on your navigation screen and you always have to click it, and that's just one thing that was just really annoying. Since I have power folding mirrors, I would just take the key and hold the lock button down and it would fold the mirrors back when I lock the car. Same thing goes when I unlock it. Now if I just click it just a little bit, it will still unlock it, but it won't do the mirrors. You have to just hold it just for a little second and then the mirrors will fold out.
Remove the key. When you push the key in and remove it, it will unlock all the doors around you, all 4 doors.
So another option I have coated, what you just saw is I turned my high beams on, but I have coated so that the fog lights do stay on. Usually the fog lights will shut off so the high beams can stay on, but that's another option I did there. And then what you just saw was called flash to pass, which is a option to where when you flash your high beams, your fog lights go off and then go back on. So you kind of have this dual sequence flashing option that you got going on there. And then this is the Euro hazard flashing. It goes flash, flash off, flash, flash off, flash, flash off, versus the US version where it just flashes like this. Well guys, that does it for today. Everything that I have coated on my 2008 BMW 335i. So how you can code this on your own is by using Pro Tool. If you haven't seen that video on Pro Tool, I'll list up here above. Check out that DIY video. And for only $49.99, you have all the unlimited coding that you want. Do it right at your fingertips. So on the Android market, Google Play Store, of course. It's a great app. I use it for everything as far as coding goes. So it's a win-win, and you can just do it all by yourself. You don't have to have someone else do it for you and wait for their schedule. Well guys, check out that video. Big thumbs up on this one. Subscribe if you haven't already. Check you next time. See ya.